Power target trades, power trigger trade.
All right, I have an important video here to show you some great information about why it's important for the big picture. We're talking about FedEx here. So on July the 16th, I posted a plan for FedEx that confirmed but required a lot of holding because I kept following the rules. And it's important to know how to hold positions, when to take profits. There's a lot that it takes to really succeed long term in the markets. So pay attention. Right here, so here you see here on this is on July 2nd, this is based on the July 15th close. I said FedEx can test 180 to 200. The August 21 170 calls is what we will use. FedEx needs to break above 164 on some power. Okay, so as you can see on the 15th, FedEx closed at 161.25. And right here where the arrows are, you see the 170 calls cost $431 per option, which is $431 per option. 4.31 means 431. All right, now. So on July the 16th, FedEx went above 164, and we should have been in this at $5.00, $500 per option, okay? But it went over that, and we actually ended up getting in at 625. But now there were some members who came later and actually bought this because I had pulled back. So FedEx, I said, well, FedEx, if we get 200%, it will not matter what we paid. What I'm trying to tell you, it doesn't matter that we had to pay higher. We ended up paying higher, but if we did not hold this position properly, we would not have made any money. We would have lost money, right? Instead, because of following my rules and understanding, we made money. Now, this video would be too long to show you all the documented things, but I'm going to show you some things in this, okay? So here's an update, July the 17th. FedEx people, this stock is funny. Like, this is why I had us use the August 21 170 calls. Lots of time. The stock will do some crazy and amazing things, but the trend is very strong. It is acting the same as before. In 2018, we had some great wins in FedEx, but it had given us one of our plans had given us a lot of great problems. It was going against us, but we ended up making massive gains, 1,000% gains, you name it, 300% gains, depends on the options you were in. And I knew that FedEx was back as you've seen the plan. But I knew the stock could give us its market, depends what the market does. In fact, it actually was doing really well on an earnings day and for UPS, but then it pulled back. We still held the position, and we took profits on August the 7th. So I want to show you that. I want to explain it I want to explain you some things on the chart, but there's so much I have to show you. Let me show you some other things. So when we got into FedEx, it wasn't smooth. FedEx had some bad news. There was a shooting. Now, it actually had pulled, but again, it held support. I gave the support zones. I told our group to hold. Okay? So I want to show you some of the things here. If you press pause, you can see, I'm going to say, for FedEx, I think staying above 162.50 would be a good sign. Now, my sell stops for FedEx gives it more room than the $3 based on the ask and the bid. So I explained that. So basically, I explained the buy stops, the sell stops to put in. Okay. Now, FedEx held them back in July all the time, every day, whatever the situation occur. We're going to go to the charts here because this was, again, such a long-winded trade, but I want to show you that the understanding of real direction, knowing how to properly hold things, knowing how to get into proper plans, because it's not just simply getting into anything and knowing what there's a lot that goes involved. But why we succeed year after year after year is because I have great management and leadership skills. So people, we're in the charts over here, and we're gonna go, as you can see, in July there was that, then we had the pop. So we were holding this, okay? We held. We almost got stopped out, and then a pop, boom, azazoom. We got paid. Now, I want to show you what the options, the August 21 170 calls are from this move. But we were in this from the 15th. See, that's the 16th day was the confirmation. Then it pulled back. I explained the situation. We held support levels, explained the group. Again, because I have big picture skills and I got us into a plan that could go higher and it held my rules, we won. Let's take a look at the close of the options today. Big picture thinking. All right, people, so here you can see in the charts, I have the August 21 and the 170 calls closed at $1,400, so $1,410. Now, I want to show you some more facts of how these options have fluctuated. Give me 1 second, people. All right, people, this is an options chain chart. This is the chart. This is the option. See over here, if you look on the left-hand side, which is on my side, you're going to see where this is FedEx August the 20 170 calls. Okay, what this does is it tracks the option price. So, for example, on the 16th, the options had a high of see, so you see the open. You see there's a box on the corner on the left. Look to the left on my side. You're going to see a box. Okay, and I'm going to click that box. And the open was 398. The high was 665. And the low was 398 for the options, okay? But we had closed at 620. Then we had pullbacks. Now I had stops at 3.00, and this is why it held. Then as the days went on, we had lower stop, but you see it never went below 300. See the lows? Then we had the pop. Then the pullbacks. This was crazy, okay? But we never, I told us to play stops at 4. We never went below. And then we got the pop. And you can see that right there. You can see the options on the 7th. When you have big picture leadership skills, and you can see this on my YouTube channel, you're able to engineer plans, know how to hold plans. But no, I foresaw where FedEx is going. You want to get in with a leader. Don't be, if you're not in my group, you're going to be making baby money in the markets. That being said, study this video hard. Study what I'm showing you. I'm showing you information. This is what's called, this chart here is the options chart. Okay, listen carefully. You can see here on the right. Look at the box now. I'm going to hold it. That was the close for the 7th of August, okay? We opened at 555. We ended up at 14. Why? Big picture thinking. What was my targets for FedEx? 180 to 200. Now, we sold some, and we're holding around. Now, I'm not getting into all the specifics. I just want to show you that this was a plan we held in my group inside of Power, the group trades. This is what is necessary to know how, you need to know how to pick plans, hold plans. Also when to hold, when to fold. If we would have folded this thing, and a lot of times it was about 20 to 30 cents left on the options before being stopped out, but we didn't get stopped out. Look at the gains we made. Skill always wins, luck runs out. You need skill to succeed in the markets. Right, welcome to Power Trigger Trade. This is my Twitter here. You can see right on this is a pinned tweet. This pinned tweet video, it explains how to become a member inside of Power Group Trades. Simply click on it. It's going to be easy to subscribe. Now, right over here is a link to my YouTube channel. Let's go there. Right, this is my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades. Study this creative playlist. A wealth of information. But there's a lot of videos that you can scroll through. Like you can go through a lot of videos and wins. See, look, 500 plus. Now, they're not all plans, but there's hundreds of plans of success on this YouTube channel over the years. Same format like we saw with the FedEx or the Apples or the Teslas. This wasn't a big win for us, but it's not about the win in this case. It's about how we're able to handle and adapt to the different market conditions. Power trigger trade. Power trigger trade. Now, At the end of the video, you're gonna see this icon over here. Simply click on it. It's gonna give you easy ways to subscribe. I look forward to helping you succeed in the markets. Nothing is like what I do. I have massive, massive skill. Study my videos, study what I'm saying, study how I'm able to engineer powerful plans, and I do this step by step. I get us into the plans, I tell us to hold, to sell. Everything is managed inside my group, Power Group Trades. Don't forget to like the video!